Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing great and are safe at home. In today's video, I'll be creating this beautiful makeup look. It looks really nice and sophisticated and goes with so many occasions. I hope you enjoy it and let's get started. As I want very nice, glowy, dewy and juicy looking skin, so today I'll be using a skin repairing balm. This is from Luxe. This kind of melts into the skin and makes your skin looks like you have applied a very hydrating facial oil. This is going to make your skin look very glowy and dewy, and also this is going to provide you hydration and moisturization. So if you have dry skin, you're gonna love this. Next, I'll be using a moisturizing primer. Now this is a primerizer. It works as a primer as well as a moisturizer, so I absolutely love it. Then using a tinted lip balm to moisturize my lips. This works as a lip balm as well as it has a little bit of color to it, so really like this one. I have been loving this skin tint recently, and this is from Just Herbs. I quite like it for everyday basis. I don't use any foundation or concealer. I just use this and it makes my skin look so beautiful, glowy and dewy, and it blends beautifully into the skin, makes your skin look like your skin. So yeah, this is a really good option for summer. If you are looking for something very lightweight on the skin, you can definitely go for this one. Next, I'm using my current favorite concealer, and this is from K Beauty. Now if you are looking for a good quality concealer under 1000 rupees, definitely go for this one. It blends beautifully into the skin, looks really nice and natural on the skin, doesn't crack, doesn't crease, and especially if you have oily skin, I think you should definitely try this one. And now I'm just gonna blend everything out with my beauty sponge. All of the product links, details, discount codes, everything will be mentioned in the description box, so don't forget to check that out. To set everything on place, I'm using a makeup fixer from Inside. This is going to lock my base makeup in place so that it doesn't move or doesn't budge throughout the day. Coming to the blush, and today I'll be using this lip and cheek tint from Just Herbs. So first I'll be using a little bit of makeup setting spray to wet my brush. Then I'm gonna take some from the pot and dab on the back of my hand. This is just to make sure that you don't overdo your blush and your blush doesn't look patchy or blotchy. And this is how you're gonna get the flawless finish. Now to set the cream products on place, I'm using this K Beauty HD Translucent Loose Powder, and this is very finely milled so it doesn't look cakey on the skin, doesn't dry out your skin, so I really like this powder. Okay, moving on to the brows, and now I'll be using this micro brow pencil from Lakme. This is going to give you precise application, and I'm just gonna fill in the gaps that I have in my brows. Then to set my brow hairs in place, I'll be using this brow mascara from Essence. I recently got this compact powder from Just Herbs. Now this is an optional step, but I wanted to make sure that my base makeup stays in place, and as I'm using a skin tint, it doesn't have a lot of coverage. So this is the reason why I'm using another compact powder on top. Adding a little bit of blush on top because after applying so many powders, my blush was almost invisible. Moving on to the eyes, and today I'll be using this Autumn Spice palette from Nicka K. I'll be taking this beautiful yellow shade and I'll be applying it all over my crease. And make sure to blend it really nicely so that everything looks seamless and blended. Next, I'll be using this Makeup Revolution Foil Frenzy eyeshadow palette, and I'll be taking this beautiful foiled metallic green shade. This is so unique, and I'm just gonna apply it all over my eyelid, and look at that, how stunning it looks on the eyes. Using the same eyeshadow with the help of a flat brush, I'm just giving a little bit of shape to my eyes like this. Once that is done, I'll be taking the previous eyeshadow brush and just make sure that everything looks nice and blended. I wanted to add a little bit of glitter and oomph to my eyes, so I used this Insight metallic eyeshadow and it literally did nothing. So do I recommend it? Definitely not. Taking this deeper brown shade and applying it on the outer corners of my eyes to add a little bit of depth. Now taking this beautiful yellow shade and smoking out my bottom lash line. And also make sure that you connect it with the top so that everything looks nice and cohesive. Next, I'll be using this green kohl pencil from Rimmel. I don't think it's available in India anymore, so you can use any green kohl that you have. If you don't have any green kohl, you can easily use a green eyeshadow as well. I'm not taking it all the way in, I'm just applying it halfway through and wing it out. For my mascara, I'll be using this Essence False Lashes mascara. This is going to provide you volume, length, and I absolutely love the way it makes my lashes look. Then for my highlighter, I'll be using my absolutely favorite highlighter of all time, and this is from K Beauty, and I'll be applying it on all of the highest points of my face. It doesn't feel drying on the skin, and I just love the way it makes my skin look. And look at that, wow. For my lips today, I'll be using this lip and cheek tint from Just Herbs, and this is in the shade Mahogany. This is such a beautiful shade and suitable for a lot of Indian skin tone. The only downside is it's not transfer proof, otherwise their lip and cheek tints are awesome. And I know I have used a lot of Just Herbs products in today's video is because I just got them in PR, and this is not sponsored, alright? Now I'm gonna take this beautiful warm brown shade from this palette and dab it on my lips. This is going to make my lipstick look matte, and also I wanted a little bit of warmth to my lips, so yeah. And now I think my lips are looking just perfect. What do you guys think? So yes, with that's the completed makeup look. I hope you guys like it. I hope you guys find this video helpful. If you do, then please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel, and also don't forget to let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. I would love to know that. So yeah, that's it for today's video, and I will see you soon in my next one. Bye.